How to create a blog post with GrooveBlog. In this video, I will show you how you can easily create your first blog with GrooveBlog for beginners. But before we jump into that, just a short overview about GrooveBlog. GrooveBlog is a lightweight blogging platform that is suitable for anyone wanting to start a blog. It has the core blogging features of WordPress without plugins, which is better, and you can also get started for free. So all you need to do is click the link on the description down below. And after that, here in this page, you can sign up for free for starter. So hi again. So this is the main dashboard once you log into your account. And here you'll see other features that you can also do within the software. And here you have your GrooveBlog features. You may also able to locate GrooveBlog by clicking on this G icon over here. And here's the GrooveBlog, so let's click on it. And you'll be prompted here in this page where you can start creating your first blog. So just click new blog, and here just name your blog whatever you like, and then you choose a subdomain for your blog. For example, I name my blog Work and Travel, and the subdomain will be Work and Travel Blog. And when your subdomain shows unavailable, it means that someone already used that subdomain name. So you need to change it and think for another subdomain. And also you might consider changing your blog name as well, because your blog name and subdomain should be the same. And then you'll be prompted here in this page where you can see different articles or blog here that can guide you on how you can start writing your blog inside GrooveBlog. So here they have tips and tricks, and also blog on how you can start making money in your blog. And up here you can also visit your blog site, and also option to publish your blog. But before publishing the blog, we need to first write something first inside our blog site. So to do that, here on the left sidebar, you have different tab here. So just click on post, and here we can start adding our blog. Just click on new post. And here we can start writing our blog post. So let's start by adding the title of the post. So let me write here, like for example, how to travel and work, your guide. Then after that, add your description here. And let me just copy some paragraph here online just to show you some example. And I will just paste it here. So now we write the title and some description of our post. So to add subheading here, just write the subheading. For example, why travel and work. Then just highlight it. And here you have your option to edit the text. So you can change it from normal to heading. So you have heading 1, 2, 3 here. And you can make it bold as you like. So here, if you like to edit your text, like make some words italic, then just highlight the words or sentence, then select italic here. And if you want to make some bullet list, then highlight and select bullet or numeric, then the text will become bullet list. And when you enter here, it will also automatically add some bullet here. And you may also change the text color, and also add some link to your text or to phrases. Then if you want to add some images here of your traveling or attach a video like a YouTube video, then you can just simply hit enter on your keyboard, and you will see this add icon. Here, just go to video icon, and here you can just use external link URL. So here you can easily copy and paste your YouTube URL link for the video, and then just name it, then save it in your gallery and select it. Then you'll see your YouTube video has been added here in your blog post. So if you want to add some images, you can also do it here. Click the image icon and select a photo from your computer and upload it here. And once uploaded, select the image to be added in your post. And once uploaded, you can double click the image and click on the 3 dots. And here you can attach some link to redirect your reader to whatever website you want them to visit. So let's assume that we are done writing our post. So the next thing that we need to do is click here on the gear icon. And over here is where you can add your own featured image. It's like a cover photo of your post. So this is the image that your readers see on your blog. So just upload an image here, and I will just make use of the image that we used earlier. And then just leave this post slug. And then you have your page URL here for this blog post, as you can see. And also the publish date here. You can schedule your post to publish online in your blog site. So select the date here that you want to publish. Then next is you can select the time. Then next here, we can categorize our blog. This is very important, especially if you have different topics on your blog. You need to categorize it. So for now, let me select latest, but you can also add your own new category here if you like to organize your blog. Then the next is adding your keywords. So keywords are words or phrases that your audience might use to search on Google. For example, your keyword will be how to work and travel, and also ways to work and travel, best travel jobs, tips on how to find work while traveling, something like that. That can be the keywords for this blog post that we are writing today for this tutorial. Then for the excerpt, it's like a short quote if what your blog post all about. So I will just make use of the sentence up here. I will just copy and paste it, and this will be added in your carousel and also show on your homepage. But if you don't want it, then you can uncheck it, and also you can allow comments on your blog here. Next is the metadata. This is the information that will show up on Google's site when your blog show up on the search engine. For example, here, this is the metadata. So let's go back to our Groov Blog. So here in keywords, I will just copy and paste up here, and then edit the open graph. I will just keep everything here, and I will just change this one to blog. And then you can also add custom code here, but this is more advanced. I will just skip this part. So that's how you can easily write your first blog here on Groov Blog. And you may also see the preview of your blog here after. And you can also save to draft. If you are not done writing your blog, then you can just save it. And now this post has been scheduled to the date and time that we selected earlier. So I guess that's all for today's video, and if you would like to sign up, just use the link in description down below to sign up for free. There's no card needed, and drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.